It looks like the stream key is not formatting again.
I don't... Oh, 2 minutes.
No, I already started it.
Oh,
See?
it's starting.
Is
There
it
we go.
starting?
Yep.
Finally.
There.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. In this, well, I just saw someone saying in chat it's an ungodly hour for where I am. I must honestly admit that I feel like it's an ungodly hour for us as well.
That it is.
It's 11:30 in the evening on a Sunday night. And we're just here with a 200k breakout account. I one-shotted my 100k this afternoon. So I took the liberty to take the American pride, the one and only.
Came ready.
Yeah, he came prepared for that one. So we're gonna try to 200k. Are we gonna one-shot it or?
There's echo.
Where's the echo? I don't hear any echo, to be honest. At least not here. Do you have any? Is your sound on?
No.
No.
Negative.
No, there's no echo. It's on you, buddy. So yeah, you're feeling long. I'm feeling short.
I'm just longing for some profit. That's it.
I'm longing for some profit. You heard the bullshit here first, guys. So Bitcoin has done a bit of an interesting thing over the weekend.
What has it done, Chento?
Well, what hasn't it done? It went to a new low of 59k. It bounced back up to 62. It bounced back to 59.6. From there on, it went to 63, and now it's just slightly consolidating under the dwell block, which would normally, in my vocabulary, mean we short. The only issue is that Uncle Donald starts tweeting again with some random stuff.
His Twitter fingers going right now.
Yeah, he got a little bit of a Twitter flow in him. I still think that the real direction is down, to be honest. The question is, like, how exciting do we want to make it?
I don't think it's really up to us.
No. The problem is, this afternoon I was pretty convinced of us going down. Now being at this mid-level, exactly smack dab in the middle of the range, makes our life not a little harder, it makes it a whole lot harder. Especially because if we look at this move down, this was a pretty decent move of 1.8% down, which is a lot on a Sunday. But then a 1.4% upwards recovery on that same move. Hectic, I'd say. Hectic. Yeah, I think hectic is the right. I'm going with hectic.
32k by October.
That's also hectic. If you look at the liquidity, there's some redness below us at the 60.6k that came in pretty fast. But we also have some liquidity at the 62.6. So the question is basically, where are we going first? Well, my gut is saying short, so maybe we should just long.
That's not a bad play.
What are you thinking? Because this is such a mid-range with compression.
Play here. There's no play here.
No.
We should have some volume kicking in at the hour, no?
Yeah, in 29 minutes, things should change. Someone is saying a Bart Simpson pattern as well. But in terms of liquidations, we did take mostly shorts in the last 24 hours. But that doesn't take away from the fact that I see there's way more upside potential right now. Anything to add? Oh man.
Why 29 minutes? Well, it's 28 minutes now. So.
It's 28 minutes. That's the first session opening. Is the screen so scratched I can't read the numbers? Well, that shouldn't be the case, but alright. Okay, I'm gonna short it. Are we going all in?
You're the trader, man. I'm just a cowboy turned Discord mod.
Oh, man. A missile flying around should surely be shorting. Bro, the last time missiles flew...
Up. Someone says up, someone says short.
Bro, last time missiles flew around, we pumped 30%. I don't know if you missed that memo.
Let's run a poll.
Yeah, let's run a poll, ladies and gentlemen. Can I even run a poll? I can't run a poll.
Vic can.
Is there anyone that can run a poll?
Where is our employed duck at? Can our employed duck run a poll?
Never mind, I already pressed the short button.
Oh, and we're liquidated.
No. Holy fees.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Holy fees.
We have about 2,300 of room now.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Ooh.
It better go down from here. I did not expect the fees to be that high, to be honest.
Oh, it's 16 BTC, my friend.
Yeah, but still. We're not funded yet, so
wait,
theoretically it's a demo.
We're up, but we're down.
Yeah.
We're up. We're red. Oh no, this is looking really bad, guys.
No, it's not.
Whew, we're down $106.
It's fine, I guess. Now Bitcoin should come down from here. Problem is, we're trying to one-shot, and we might have an early stream today.
We're down 44. Oh, we're up. We're green. We're green. We're green. My entire salary. Come on.
Bro, you get paid pretty well, to be honest. Let me see. I'm here. That wasn't the question.
We're green. There are a lot of people who would just see green and just TP.
Yeah. I like the stream hour. Bro, you must be really cute then.
Who's saying that?
I don't know. Someone mentally ill, I guess.
Alexander the Geek. We're green. Oh, we're barely green now. Every dollar is just such a wild ride.
Yeah. Bro, I don't know why, but this is wilder for me than trading 500 Bitcoin on my own account. Why? Because then no one tells me when I get effed.
Oh my gosh. Oh no, this is not going the right direction, guys. But nothing's happening yet, really.
No. No, legitimately nothing happened.
We just see green number, red number, green number, red number.
I like the stream hour. That's mentally
daring.
daring.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. What's the limit? Why is it doing this?
Oh no. Oh, it's all over.
Bro, you're being slightly over dramatic, aren't you?
Oh my gosh.
But what is the limit, to be honest?
We could lose another 200 or 2 grand.
2 grand. That's not much, is it?
No.
That's absolutely nothing.
That's what I'm saying. This is a wild ride. Look at, if we break above that little tiny consolidation, it's over.
Yeah.
F it, I opened a trade. So did we.
Yeah.
No basis, not even any vibes, just to entertain you guys.
Yes.
I can't read the entries. Don't worry, they're just bad. They're bad entries. There's nothing.
What's the entry? Yes.
What's your honest opinion on these funds? You know, we have a guy.
Yeah.
Who turned his life around.
Yes.
With these funded accounts in the last week.
Yes. We legitimately have a guy that was in debt, was struggling due to personal situations, and I think he made almost 300K on these funded. And normally I wouldn't believe it, but I saw it with my own eyes. Payout, everything, it's
crazy.
Yeah, insane.
I had always doubted these, especially because of prior cycles, the way that, you know, funded prop firms like operated.
Yeah.
But after seeing what this guy did and seeing the actual numbers,
it's wild.
Insane.
It's absolutely insane.
It's changed my opinion.
Yeah, same for me.
It's different now.
Listen, we only work with Breakout and worked with Breakout as a prop firm. Because they have 100% payout guarantee, but keeping up that guarantee while someone is taking 200k, that's yeah, that's amazing. Yo, Bitcoin, it would be appreciated if you could just fuck off down to hell again. It's still consolidating and it looks to be rejecting the dwell block. As soon as that changes.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. What's account one? No, this is a 200k 90-10 split account.
Yeah.
Whatever the most expensive one is, that's what this one is.
It's the uber expensive one.
Yeah, this is top tier.
Nothing but the best, nothing but the greatest. What's the it's 200k. That's all we want. What's all you want?
Big margins, big earns, big losses. Oh,
and big
yeah.
trucks. Because it's America.
America.
Is that cowboy from Texas?
No, I'm from Canada.
From Chinese.
I'm Chinese. 你好吗?
Bro, I'm not liking any trade, to be honest, right now. But indeed, misses are flying. Uncle Donald is tweeting like a maniac. He's, I don't know. At what point do you normally take your phone away from your grandparents?
Cody, you must be from America with the improper your usage. I recognize that education system from anywhere.
He could sniff it from a mile away. The failure of the American system.
You see it anywhere, man. Easy, I'm from Canada. That's just Northern America, dude. That's all it is.
Man, I think we have to get out of this trade.
Yeah, I think it's about to get cooked in a second here. Oh, wait.
Wait. Huh.
Let's go straight to 58.9. I would love that. That'd be great.
Yeah, that would be perfect for us.
Wait. We're green, but we're red.
We might be onto something.
We're green, but we're red.
We might be onto something here, guys.
There's no cowboys in Alberta, bro. Like, just stop. There's not any.
We have cowboys in Alberta. Okay. That's soothing.
We're green. We're gold. 60. Don't put that evil on me with 65k. Okay. We're short. Can't be saying that.
No.
Calgary Stampede. What is that? Your local mom's running group? What? America.
Calgary Stampede, your local mom's running group. Bro, it's way too late for this bullshit.
Keep going down, dude. Bears will get wrecked. No, don't. Why are you guys so negative, man? Look at, we're up. We're green.
Yeehaw! Should we just close it and call it a day? Never mind.
Should we just close it and call? Oh man. What's your TPs in the prop trade whenever we pass it?
Listen, normally I have a very, very specific strategy for prop firm accounts. And it's called go hard or go homeless. So I one-shot him. Or they one-shot me. It's one of the two. Until now, I'm 3 out of 3 for I one-shot them.
Black Ryan, I used to bet on the Calgary Stampede. Black Ryan, I have seen the way you bet, and you've bet on everything there is to bet on. This guy used to bet on women's Chinese tennis.
Bro, I've seen him bet on midget wrestling.
This guy's insane.
Yeah, I told you, midget wrestling. You've seen it all. I even heard rumors that he participated in it. And you can choose if it's the Chinese women tennis or the midget wrestling.
He certainly qualifies for the latter in stature. I'll tell you that much.
Of both.
Yeah, we're still in the eval at the moment. Look, all we need is just the floor just to fall off right here. We just need that floor to break and we're good. We'll be funded. What will that take us to? Actually, we won't be funded, but we'll be on our way.
The poll might be coming up soon. Better late than never, I guess.
Did he make good money? That guy did make good money betting on that stuff.
Who?
Black Ryan.
I can't imagine Black Ryan making money on any sort of betting. Bro, I kind of want to get out of this trade and just see whatever happens.
Well, it looks like we're about to lose all our profit. Oh, profit's gone. Oh, profit's back. Oof, what a wild ride this is.
Yeah. Very. Astonishing even.
Yep. Let's see. You guys, make sure you hit the like button. We got 300 people in here and 49, or they got the update. Let's see. 88 likes. Let's get to 100. We get to 150, I'll come back for tomorrow's stream.
We have no choice. You work here.
They don't know that. They don't know that.
This might be the most boring price action that I've seen in a while.
Oh.
The whole weekend was exciting.
Give it 16 minutes, okay?
I don't know if I can zoom far enough. Of course.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah,
It's over.
I take full responsibility for this.
Oh my gosh. We're down. Oh, we're up. We're green. We're green. What's the asset? BTC. 5x, 16 BTC short. We're all in.
Yeah.
We are all in.
What I don't get, and that's the only thing, on 100k you have the same drawdown level as on a 200k for the evaluation.
Now. Good job smashing that like button, guys. Oh, someone just took a like back. I just watched it go from 111 to 110. Oh, now we're back up. Whoever took that like away, dude, you're not nice. You're just not a nice person. I tried 16 BTC on a 5k funded, but it won't work. I'm no mathematician, but I can
see that.
I can see at least, you know, the idea of why that wouldn't work. Short at 62, it's coming up to 62. The likes are rolling in. We have 350 watching. This is a good time to stream. Will you be tuning in for the 𝗙𝗃𝗃𝗃 versus 𝗙𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃 fight?
Which 𝗙𝗃𝗃𝗃? Ours or the real one? Listen, the real one, I don't think that's ever gonna happen, to be honest. Those guys talk so much trash.
That was Thomas, by the way.
But yeah, I would definitely tune into that one.
Is it possible to zoom the chart's windows?
Yes, I did that. As soon as I did it, it bumped against me.
Look, we're down $14.
Bro, I just want to get out of this trade and go to bed. I'm going to be completely honest here.
I don't know if I can recover from this $14 loss.
I get that.
Oh, and
Fixed
we're
it.
up. We're green. We're green. I refuse to sell until it goes lower.
It's going up. Tobin, I didn't know that you were Michael Saylor. Thank you for sharing all your wisdom. Are you a gazillionaire yet? If not, please refrain from stalking out of your ass. Thank you in advance.
And the TP is whenever we pass the funded, so 24k profit. To be honest, I can't see anything.
Me neither.
I think it's the right one.
What? Most boring price action? Absolutely. We have a gazillionaire in the chat, by the way. His name is 𝗕𝗏𝗀𝗀. His nephew is Satoshi. His uncle is Elon Musk. And he knows everything that there is to know about price action. And he can predict the future with 100% certainty. So give a big applause for him.
Chento, what's your next challenge you're going to do?
Trying not to die because of this. So my short-term challenge is trying not to... I'm just going to close this. I cannot stand this much longer, to be honest.
We're in the green.
I know.
You're in a 10K bit funded.
Why are you here? This is Breakout. He is the price action himself. Yeah, I'm closing it. Yes, close all. Okay, good.
You know, while there's not really that much price action, there's not really a lot of action. One place you can always find somewhere to get action is MetaMask. They have the price prediction on it.
Oh, yeah. So,
prediction markets.
In the meantime, which is actually pretty cool to show and will not kill all your brain cells that you have left. And in my case, it's 2 fighting for 3rd place. If you go to the MetaMask app, and the link is below as well, you can basically bet on sports, World Cup winners. You can bet on almost anything it gives. From basketball to tennis to crypto to SpaceX. You can trade, you can do perps, you can do stocks. So MetaMask is not just a custodial wallet. It's also a pretty awesome platform for prediction. And of course, now it dumps. You see what you did here, Thomas? Or Tobin?
FUD.
You see what you did here? You fudded us out of this position.
FUD.
We will hold you liable for this. You understand that?
No,
No,
I'll be
just
sending
kidding.
you an invoice. This is a funded account, and
Is this a tax write-off?
I'm gonna invoice this guy. I'm
going from rich to rags. Me too,
That's
mentally.
gonna be my next challenge. And it's dumping. It's absolutely dumping. I think we would have passed the challenge by now.
No, that's not. But it is a good. How much?
We would be past the challenge. You can always long it. Look at that. Would have been a good long. We'd be past the challenge again. We'd passed it twice already.
Who's winning the World Cup? I have no clue, my friend. I have absolutely no clue.
I do have Mexico beating South Africa.
Yeah, I can see that. I can 100% see that. We have a pretty extensive parlay, haven't we? Listen, if our parlay comes true, I'll give away 50k on the live stream. I swear.
How many legs is the parlay? Let me tell you, it's 47 legs. It's a 47 leg parlay.
And what's the potential winnings?
Potential winnings is just over 500,000
On the small one, right?
on a $1,000 bet.
And on the other one?
The other one is still being put together. There's a lot of legs.
Can we have Woody mustache shaved if we pass Breakout?
Look, if we pass the Breakout, I will shave just this bit.
Bro, we can't.
What? It's half. That counts as half. It's a quarter and a quarter. Now, I'm no mathematician, but last time I checked,
People don't like that.
quarter plus a quarter is a half.
I really hope this fucking PA gets better.
You guys hit the like button. It's probably my last
Look,
time
you
on
see, it's dumping. Told you. Imagine if people kept on saying you should long this. Imagine, man. Imagine there are actually people that think this goes up, right?
Flooded.
What?
What's TP is when we pass the funded whenever we enter a position.
I just saw it.
Yeah.
Oh.
The world just keeps on spinning, man.
Look at it dump, man.
Wow,
if you're still in the
Tobin.
short and not got scammed by Tobin, you guys are making money. For us, we got absolutely scammed by
Got
Tobin.
fudded.
If anyone missed it, look back and you see us getting scammed by Tobin. 𝗕𝗏𝗄𝗧 to be complete. Short's great, yeah.
Absolutely preposterous that he fudded us, but
Yeah. Absolutely preposterous. Can't remember last time I felt so scammed.
it was probably like Luna, maybe, for me.
No, at least Luna we saw coming.
Yeah. You know what? You're right about that. Maybe closer to like the FTX
Yeah.
in comparison.
Yeah.
Or maybe if you guys remember, there was a coin called the War on Rugs.
I
Can't
think
believe they rugged that one.
I think that Bonnie Blue is less fucked than we are by Tobin.
That one might be a toss-up.
Yeah, that would be a coin flip.
News just came out.
What's the news? Tobin versus King Azuli.
He had the news, man.
Tobin versus King Azuli. That's an interesting 5-second candle here, my friend. I think we're gonna scandalously dump.
Good thing we closed our short.
Yeah.
You can always short again.
No. Now the trade is gone. Look. Oh man, how much did we go down from there?
Like 10 million.
Yeah.
Now we can short.
We would have been gazillionaires by now.
It's giving you a chance to short again.
Sailor hints at buying? Yeah, he can do whatever he wants. Is this even possible? What is possible? Trading this market? Absolutely not.
You can't stop laughing.
I wish we could see the same, buddy.
Yeah, keep laughing, buddy.
Yeah, keep laughing. Keep it up. Well played, 𝗲𝗄𝗱𝗲𝗏. But you know what? You can't push a rope.
Can't push a rope. You really can't.
No. We're oh, I can't even read. I'm that tired. We're 4 minutes out to opening. But imagine if
Going up.
Imagine if we long this. I wish someone told us to long, right?
I think it's coming back to where we short. Oh. Well, it was back to where we shorted.
I wish someone would have told us to long. Love pulling out early.
Okay.
Okay, man. We will respond to the Iranian attack even if does not happen in the immediate time frame. What's that sentence?
I think it's a quote from an Israeli official.
I understand, but what do they mean? Sleep with one eye open from now on, you cunt.
Basically.
Okay.
It means we're going to get you.
So that's positive for the market because it's going up. I don't know why it's positive.
I don't know either, but we've seen it before. War means BTC up for some reason sometimes. See, like we should have long down there. Wow.
Imagine
If we longed the bottom, I think we'd be in good profit.
Or if we long the bottom, we would be gazillionaires. Long it then. What? You want us to get ragged or what?
Yeah, he does.
Jesus, why is everyone against us here?
Are you short?
Imagine if I longed that, I would be down now $1 million. Buy the FUD, 𝗬𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗀 or something. Buy the sailor, sell the FUD, buy the war, sell the economy. Bro, they can't make up their mind. They have no clue what they're doing. I think at this point, you know the term fuck around, find out. They're taking it to new depths at new levels.
Never broke VWAP. I don't think.
I don't think that's true in any case.
I don't think anybody worth their salt cares about a VWAP.
What is the 𝗕𝗵𝗸𝗀𝗀𝗲 right side law from Pakistan? Well, buddy, the Pakistan part I get.
I give my life for Pakistan.
It's Breakout, the prop firm, is the exchange on the right.
Very bullish war news.
Is Taco long? I don't know, man. Check Baron.
I don't want to talk about it.
We don't want to taco about it.
Do they have Taco Bell here in South Africa? Is that a thing? Chad, does anybody know? Do they have Taco Bell?
Is it Taco Bell in South Africa?
In South Africa? Do they have Taco Bell in the Netherlands?
Yeah.
They do. Oh, I wonder if it's how.
After 100 days of war, peace efforts are stalled. U.S. President told Iran, get back to the table and make a deal.
You're from Afghanistan. Do they have Taco Bell in Afghanistan? Riddle me that one.
These the guys shorting 72k before we went to 82k. No, this is the guy that is currently up 3.1 million on his short and 640k in his long. Any other questions? Thank you. Yeah, you didn't see that one coming, huh?
Breakout prop firms. It's
Yes.
safe to get money from Breakout.
Listen.
Yes.
Breakout is the safest prop firm with 100% payout guarantee that there is. Oh, look at that. War is bullish. War is leave the screen bullish.
Come on, boys. When's your next trade? I'll jump in too. Nah, you already fudded us, bro.
Bro, when is my next trade? Have you seen what's happening on my screen? I refuse to blow everyone up, to be honest. New escalation. The Israeli military says intercepted wave of missiles. That's the reason why we go up. Missiles is bullish.
Known for knowledge, I am definitely not one of those guys. I only trade the 1 minute. I don't stay in trades longer than like 20 minutes. So it's definitely not me, buddy.
Taco ban.
Our CEO or something? Yeah.
I have no clue what you're saying. Sorry, our CEO or something. I think you're always captain of your own journey, to be honest. Bit of a philosophical take, but hey.
Wow. That was deep, man.
So, what? Look at this.
You know what else is deep? The pockets of Breakout. That's why we know 100% payout guarantee.
Yes. So,
Loading up longs liquidity to squeeze the bear haters. Yeah, sure, bud.
So shout out to a guy in our Discord that has been with us for quite some time. His Discord name is Bushy. And he this week alone managed to get $168,000 in payout from Breakout.
He currently is also holding far more profit than that.
Yeah, he's currently at 280, 300k profit. But yeah, already here during this tweet, $168,000 in payout. with an investment of $1,000 or $2,000. That's why prop firms work. And that's why we deliberately chose only to work with Breakout. Because they don't ban people if they make money. They have no shady, no hidden things, whatever. But if you want to go to Breakout and you want to make chance to win a free account as well, make sure to use code Chento at checkout, otherwise you're not eligible. Don't ask me why, we had this argument before with him. But you have to use the code. Back to the price action.
Hold on, someone has a pretty good suggestion there in chat.
Invite Bushy to the Breakout stream. Or
yeah,
we can, I guess.
It's not a bad play.
So, heads or tails?
Tails.
I don't know what that means.
Do I? Tails never fails, though, you know?
I kind of want to short it again. But I kind of want to long it at the same time.
It just doesn't look, you know?
It looks bullish, but it's still bearish.
I don't know what trade it's ready for, but it looks ready to trade. You know?
It's still underneath this dwell block. It's not breaking it. The issue is, once it breaks it, I smell 73 or 70. Jesus, 63K. But I just don't know. It's such a mid-range.
Mid. Can get 100K from subbing Breakout. Is this the same guy? I can never understand. Yeah, it is. This is the CEO guy.
Bro, you talk like a walking enigma.
Guaranteed pay, yes, guaranteed pay.
If you make it, yes. Could you full port on Breakout? Yes, we just did that.
We just did it. Yeah, we lost.
We just did it. Yeah.
$200.
Yeah, we just did it. We just went into what is it?
16 BTC.
Yeah, 16 Bitcoin position.
Good morning. It is currently just after midnight. Good morning. So that is morning, I guess.
Yeah, good morning. Theoretically. Hypothetically.
61,250 is coming. You said that like 15 minutes ago, bro.
It's
we hit 150 likes. That means I'm gonna hop in the stream later for New York Open.
Fuck. Sir, I am Pakistani. Sorry, buddy. I hate to break the news to you, but we kind of figured.
Do they not have Google Translate in Pakistan? Is that not a thing? Do they have Claude? I don't know.
I'm not gonna comment on this. It looks like it wants to go down, no?
Bro, it's so easy. What's so easy, my friend? The eval. Everyone's saying 63, man.
63, 61, 59, 48, 14.
Going straight down.
Yeah. I see God slap 69,238. Bro, if you see us hitting 69K overnight, you might want to see a doctor.
Yes.
I know, like ChatGPT, sir. I think Owen had things like this. I'm thinking Owen had things like this.
Keep practicing.
Well done.
The question is when. That is a good question. If you want a relative timeline of when we're gonna dump, you can check Chento's tweet about this 48K target.
Yes. I retweeted it just to remember people of the fact that, well, when price was at 82, I first started tweeting about 40s, and everyone thought I was a lunatic. I am a lunatic, don't get me wrong. But yeah, just different.
You think it's going nowhere? Maybe right now, but Media future.
Trader Main is the founder of Breakout. Yeah, that's true. And it's indeed acquired by Kraken. That's also true.
We will see who sees the dark first, my guy. It sounds like that guy's threatening you.
Yeah, I don't deal well with being threatened. Can send you an address and it's not USDT.
Is it Zcash?
Yeah, but then you never know if you have it or not. Are you familiar with Schrödinger's cat? Is it there? Is it not there? Is it dead or alive? Zcash is the Schrödinger's cat. Zcash is the Schrödinger's cat of the crypto industry.
Futures market just opened. Yeah, that's
yeah,
why
we
we're
know.
live,
That's why we're sitting here at bloody 10 past midnight.
Chat is full of great ideas. You know, we could just yield just 10% of them.
Most definitely Monday morning we're sitting barely above 50k. I like ambition.
That'd be great if we were short. Good luck with your position. Come on, go up. Tobin, get out of here, bro. Guys, if we hit 185 likes, I'll wear the same socks for New York Open. For those who haven't seen, these are my socks.
It's the third time that foot comes up now. So far, I'm 12% right Rove. What? Emotions in the room. Now, to be honest, if I look at this price action, there's not much on an emotional level that I'm feeling. Except the headache and agony.
They are
69,
great socks.
bro. 69 is more than.
No. You're forgetting the 238. That's the important part.
Bro, that's 13%.
Now I can get on board with the 238, but not the 69. Not the 69. I just can't. 238, yes, I agree there.
You think we will wake up at 69?
No. I agree with the 238 part. Just not the first two numbers.
How bad does its foot smell? No, I showered before, so it's pretty okay.
It's pretty okay.
But yeah, I don't see this going anywhere right now, do you?
Here's what I predict. Okay. I predict that we're gonna end the stream and then price will move expediently.
Okay. Wanna try that?
As per usual.
Yeah, probably.
I know where it's going up. It's going up already as you go to click it.
Bro, even if we contemplate ending.
And now it's gonna go down heavy.
It's 69k in the room with us now.
It's about to go down heavy.
It's the 69k in the room with us.
Wait, we're almost at 185k, 185 likes. Oh, someone took a like away. I just watched one like go away. It's the same guy, I swear. Up, go up.
Hey guys, I really wanted to pass this evaluation together with you, but
We're just going up. Look at price is moving.
Yeah, what can
Go
I say?
ahead,
It was bullish.
Keep with your outro speech and it'll keep moving.
Yeah, it was bullish.
Multiple spoof walls starting at 64.5, 65.5. Obi-Wan Shinobi.
It's actually going up now.
And
Look at that.
Oh, we should have longed.
I wish someone told us.
Why didn't we long the bottom? Gosh.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's disappeared. It's rocketed off the screen. Look at that volume. What's good? Chat, what is there news? Is there more news? What's going on? Did a nuke get launched? Usually it's bullish.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Can we short it? Hmm? I'm shorting. That's ballsy. I'm not touching this. No way in hell I'm touching this.
I call the shots. I call all the shots. Netanyahu doesn't call the shots. What?
And that's bullish or what?
I guess that's bullish.
Wait, where are we?
Up. We're up.
Nah.
Oh my gosh. Thanks, Tuda. Told you we should have won.
Bro, what is this? 1.3% candle.
We would have passed it.
Close.
We would have passed it, my friend. And we'd be very close to passing.
I told you. Yeah, whatever.
Trump told you.
%1.5% candle because
It was the socks. They say it was this. Oh, we hit 185 likes. Wow.
So Uncle Donald says I call all the shots, and that's enough for the market to go up 1.5% in a single candle.
Wow. If that's not America, I don't know what is.
America.
America.
I've seen a lot of crazy stuff, but this is definitely 2%. Yeah, we would have passed it here.
Yeah, we'd be funded. Oh my gosh.
62 million in shorts liquidated in this candle. Oh, we're not done yet.
I got liquidated, sir. My bank is loving it. Shorter about to get liquidated.
We're at 3.2%.
Dude, stop with your 69238, bro.
Bro, what is this candle?
Oh my gosh. Is it
There's
gonna stop?
130 million taken from the order book.
All right, when do we short?
I have no clue.
I don't think we ever short again. I think we're going 200K right now.
Bro, look at this. This is 4%. Bro, this is 4%.
That's certainly more than 3%.
What the hell?
Yeah, Tobin was right. Yeah, even a blind squirrel finds a nut once in a while, man.
Even the broken cloggers right twice a day. Bro, this market is so insanely illiquid. It's scary. I've rarely seen 5-minute candles this size.
Got the Gmail lick email. I've never gotten one of those. I only get the Proton lick emails. Or the Tuda Noda.
Bro, this is mad. Look at these candles.
How did this affect your short dollar-wise? They're asking. Oh, your long's probably printing. Oh my gosh.
Not much in total.
What'd you go from 3.1 to 2.5?
No, so the thing is, my total profit went down by 50K.
Oh man.
So that's fine.
Straight.
Bro, we could have passed the eval just on this retrace, I think. Yeah. This is a 1.6% dumb back.
Tobin's shorting now. We should go short.
No, I'm not going anything. Guys, I think we're gonna end it here. There's 280 million liquidated in shorts in that candle. 280 million.
That's certainly more than 270 million. What is that big one?
308 million. How does it keep ramping up?
How did y'all know it would pump in 25 mins and it did?
Because that's when the first market opens. But yeah, guys, I think it's time to call it a day. This is not tradable under any circumstances.
Look, DMV Kings, you want the answer to that question, you have to tune in again to New York Open.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you how we knew.
It's I appreciate everyone being here. We had great fun. This is a bit mentally ill, mentally deranged.
How many likes are we at? We're at 191 likes. Ooh.